Time starts now.
Yes, ano yung meron sa spread mo?
Cream cheese with herbs.
Sige. 1 hour is up na, 30 minutes left na lang tayo. 10 minutes left. Please explain yung name ng platter, theme.
Yung name po ng platter is Diverse Hors d'oeuvres. Kasi po, yung theme po ng pinagkuhaan ko, it's a mix of European and American. And yung iba ko po kasi yung ginawa, it's my own recipe lang din po.
Theme-wise, gets din siya. Diverse. You have a variety of proteins. Tapos meron ka din vegetarian option. Maganda kasi it shows variety, good portion sizes siya. Maganda rin yung presentation niya. You have different colors. Technique-wise, maganda may iba-ibang pinakitang technique. Flavors din. Clean presentation. Yun lang.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.